Here are 3 tips for doing your own knotless braids at home. So number 1 is definitely a really good cleanse and moisture routine. My favorite shampoo to use currently is the Cantu Shea Butter Cleansing Cream Shampoo, and I love it because it's not harsh on my curls and is actually really moisturizing. Next, for the conditioner, I'm going to go in with Curl Power Curl Defining Conditioner by Being. This one says it's specifically for 3A to 3C hair, but it also says it's for any hair texture. I love this. It's so moisturizing, so soft, and it leaves my curls looking quite defined, especially after I go in with this steamer. Step number 2 is definitely parting your hair before you start braiding. For me, this just makes the braiding process go a lot faster. I find that when I part during the braiding process, it takes forever and the parts end up being very inconsistent. So just dividing my hair into rows kind of helps me keep the parts consistent and just speed up the process. So after doing each part, I was going to braid it down, but this time I just decided to secure each row with a little elastic to keep it out the way. And last but not least, tip number 3 has to be your tools. Good tools is a must. Next up is this hair. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm currently getting ready to braid my hair. I'm going to do my own knotless braids. And I just had to get on here and share this because I was completely blown away when I saw this at the beauty supply store. And I was like, why didn't anyone ever tell me that this product existed? So let me show you. Look at this. Okay, so the brand is Nala Tress. And it has 3 different like bundles of braiding hair, and it says virgin hair illusion, whatever that means. I guess it's supposed to appear to be natural like virgin hair. Anyways, not only is it like a custom color blend, because I was mentally prepared to go in there and select like 3 different colors of braiding hair, mix it together, go through that whole like laborious process of making my own hair color, because as you see, my hair is a million colors right now. It's like this reddish brown, but then it has like blonde highlights and like it's a lot going on. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna make my own color so that it blends with my natural hair color right now. But I found this, and it's like, so the color is RM4, whatever that means, and then it's 27 and 30. But okay, that's not even the good part. Like, the best part about this is not only is it pre-stretched. I always get pre-stretched hair. I don't get anything else because I'm not about to sit there and stretch it myself. I'm just not gonna do that. But it is pre-sectioned. Pre-sectioned. Just let that sit with you for a second. The hair is pre-sectioned. Okay, let me open it up and show you. And it's so soft. Okay, this is my first time feeling it, like taking it out the pack. I'm just gonna take one of the bundles to show you. It's really soft. Look at this. Okay, so I'm gonna have to obviously I'm probably gonna blend it a little more. And it obviously doesn't match my hair completely, but I still like it, and I think it'll, yeah. Anyways, look at this. It's pre-sectioned, and they have these little cards. So all you have to do is take one of these cards, and you have your pre-sectioned hair. In my opinion, the majority of the time that I spend braiding my hair goes to, 1, dividing it into sections. Especially, I like to do small braids, so I feel like I'm constantly like separating the hair. Secondly, is parting the hair, which I like to pre-part my hair. I feel like it just makes it easier, like before I even start the braiding process. But yeah, like, and they had other color blends too. This like wasn't the only one, but like, look at that. Is that not so cool? And the price, like $5.99. And this is a lot. This is a lot of hair. I got 2 packs. I really only think I'm gonna need 1. But yeah, who knew? Who knew such a thing existed? Because I definitely didn't. And I feel like I've been wasting so much time when I could have just been using this hair all along. But yeah, that was it. I just wanted to share my findings with y'all. If you're about to go braid your hair anytime soon, I suggest you try this. I think it might make your life a ton easier. Let me know if you try it. Let me know if you've used it before, because I honestly have never seen anybody use this braiding hair before. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only been like months. Life moves fast when you do what you want. Not this I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. Don't wanna know what she too down. Do you be my leading lady? I want a contract girl, baby. In the meantime, I go what I want. Hope you doing what you want. Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here out for myself. Sit in the mirror, I love myself. Don't need myself for my wealth. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. We're gone for a year, only been like months. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, go to what I want. Hope you do what you want. What you want. Crib on the beach like Odell. Over mama just to tell. Shut through my mouth, got the New York to shut. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading